Warren County. What's the latest housing data for our area? Well, the market's heating up right here in Warren County, Kentucky and Bowling Green. I'm sharing the latest market data in our area right now. So first, let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Melissa Albert with eXp Realty and the Living in Kentucky team. Now let's take a look at what's happening right here in Bowling Green and Warren County market. At the time of this recording, there are 483 active listings, 157 pending homes, and 65 sold homes in the month, with the average list price of $357,494, and the average sold price was $342,615. Average days on market have shortened slightly to 100. To summarize, pent-up buyer demand and the decrease in interest rates that happened around the holidays have buyers coming back into the market. With 2023 having had the lowest sales numbers nationally since 2005, we're expecting at least the first half of 2024 to see more of a normalization of the housing market. And buyers who took advantage of this historically slow season to house hunt were able to negotiate some deals. We expect the spring market to be increasingly busy as more buyers enter into the home search phase and the inventory continues to be at below normal levels. So if you've been waiting to sell your home and make the move, the forecast is looking good to be able to sell your home and find the right new house for you. With the constant shifts in the market, you need an experienced agent to guide you through to your next move in real estate. Connect with my team and I to get more information, and we can strategize what to do for your home. And again, I'm Melissa Albert. Let's make your next move a winning one.